program, you will want to set up the manufacturers of HVAC equipment or other equipment that you service. And to do this, when you first come into the dispatch board, there's always this red group of tools over here on the left. Let's go down to settings, the gears, click on that. When you get in this, you can scroll up and down and find a whole lot of tools. We're looking for something called diagnostics configuration, and lo and behold, there's some shortcuts on the left hand, diagnostics configuration. And if I go into the diagnostics configuration by opening it, you'll see up here that we're on diagnostics configuration. You'll also see that I can name the manufacturers here, and you can add report titles to your diagnostics reports. Let's go to manufacturers. When you first get it, there's nothing in there. So just put in the manufacturers that you believe you're going to service or you know that you'll service. And I'll just do a few for an example. Let's type in Amana. So you click up here on the box and you type in Amana. Click enter, submit, go back down, you'll see that it's there now. Let's add another one. Let's go to the plus sign here again. Let's add Carrier and hit submit. So that's in there now. Let's go ahead and add a few more just for this organization that services a lot of different brands. Goodman. And you can put their complete name in. I'm just doing their short names. Let's do Linux. Let's do Trane. Trane's a common one that we would probably service. Trane. And the final one we'll do, let's do York. You have to select the box before you type York, and then hit submit. And so now we have all of the different names of equipment we're going to service. If your technician's out in the field and they come across an AON or some American standard and it's not in here, they can go right into this toolbar again and they either go directly to diagnostics configuration, or you'll learn that you can scroll all the way down. It's down here, and you can open up the diagnostic configurations, go to manufacturers, and there.